Okay, hi, my name is Mika, and I'm the student work study and peer tutor for the NASA side. I am the student tutor for human physiology. And I have Brooke Weirsley, and my class time is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 6. So the material I'm going to go over is from last Friday, last Monday, yesterday, which was Wednesday. On Friday, I actually missed class on Friday, but I was able to get the notes off of Blackboard. So, and also I missed Wednesday. I went Monday, and we went over stuff in class, went over the notes. And yesterday I missed because I had something to do, and so I was able to get the notes again off of Blackboard. And also I missed the lab. So, but I emailed the teacher, and she emailed me back and said it was fine that I missed the lab. All they had was just handouts, and I'm pretty sure they went over the tissue test that we're about to have on Monday during lab. And yesterday, I'm pretty sure they just went over test reviews. And then this coming up Friday, they're just going to start chapter 4. So I'm just going to go over the notes for the rest of the video. And then, yep. Okay, the way I'm going to walk you through on how to get the notes if you ever miss class. You're going to want to go to your courses, go to your instructor, go to start working, class material, test 1. Then, okay, I'm going to go back real quick and show you. Never mind. I thought the lab handout was there. Okay, it's not in here either. Okay, this is a lot of material to go over for those 2 classes I missed. And so I'm just going to make it real short and go over some like the headings and like the main points. Okay, so chapter 3 is over the cell. Talk about the plasma, cell membrane, selective permeable communication. Okay. Endocytosis. Endocytosis and exocytosis. Cilia, ligula, microvilli. Okay. Inside the cell, cytoplasm, cytoskeleton, and inclusion. Lysosomes, they have digestive enzymes, aka suicide bags. The mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, and sites of aerobic cellular respiration reproduce themselves, contain their own DNA. Ribosomes, sites of protein synthesis, 2 subunits made of RNA and protein. I do not know what that is, if we're being honest. Okay. Oh wait, that's this one. Yeah, it is. Okay, the endoplasmic reticulum Rough ER covered in ribosomes. Smooth ER, no ribosomes. Oh, this is like the endoreticulum, the ER. The Golgi, it modifies, packages, and ships cellular products in the cell. And I'm assuming that the Golgi complex right there. Okay, the nucleus is, it contains DNA, chromatin, loosely condensed form of DNA, bound by histone proteins, nuclear envelope, double membrane, nucleoli, sites of ribosome synthesis. That's the cell. Nucleus is in the middle. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleolus inside the nucleus. Condensed chromatin, RNA and protein synthesis. I was in class for this one. Okay, there's a pre-mRNA, mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. Transcription, synthesis of a complementary strand of mRNA from DNA. Translation, synthesis of a polypeptide from mRNA to protein. Codons are translated into amino acids. Components come together, ribosome encounters start codon, opening a site, the first tRNA to net. The next tRNA brings the correct amino acid. The first tRNA is released as the ribosome moves down the mRNA, and the third tRNA attaches the next amino acid. And then the ribosome continues, moving down the mRNA, amino acids are attached. When the ribosome reaches a stop codon, the polypeptide is released. And that's the whole mRNA, tRNA, and mRNA. DNA replication. That's translation or transcription. Interphase, G1 phase, normal cell functioning. S phase. Okay, this is all right here. These are the three stages of interphase. G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Mitosis, cells are diploid, 2N, have two copies of each chromosome, one from the mother, one from the father. Prophase, chromosomes become visible. Metaphase, chromosomes line up single file along equator. Anaphase, chromatids move to opposite poles. Telophase, cytoplasm divides cytokinesis. Okay, the easy way to remember mitosis is PMAT, which is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Hyperplasia, growth due to increase in cell number. Hypertrophy, growth due to increase in cell size. Meiosis, cell division in which the parent cell replicates once and divides twice, producing 4 daughter cells with half the amount of DNA as the parent cell. Meiosis 1 PMAT and meiosis 2 PMAT is how you can remember it. And P1, which is the part of the first meiosis, crossing over non-sister chromatids of chromosomal pairs exchange pieces resulting in greater genetic variation. So during the first P, which is prophase, okay, in the first one, that's whenever it's like the really most important thing of the whole meiosis is genetic variation. M1 chromosomes line up in pairs, and A2 sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles, produces gamete sex cells, egg and sperm. Gametes are haploid, have half the amount of chromosomes as the parent cell. Okay, and this is the last slide. This one is just showing you meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Right here is whenever the genetic variation happens, and then the rest is just gonna meiosis. Okay, see, it splits up into 2 right here, and then the 2 split up into 4. And that's meiosis. Okay, and then we had the lab, which I didn't go to. So the tissue test is coming up on Friday. On Monday. I think the real actual test is on Monday. I do not know that information, but maybe you can ask one of your peers if they know when that is happening, because sadly I do not. I'm sorry. Okay. Just study over all the stuff. I will go over all of this by myself probably tomorrow. If you ever want to come see me or you ever need help, you can go to the instructor or you can come to me. Yeah. So I work in the Nagsmatai, that's how you pronounce it. Nagsmatai, I work on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 2 through 7. So that's where I'll be if you ever need help. Or, yeah, or studying. I can do that with you. We encourage feedback here. So if you want to email us, yeah, just shoot us an email. And there's plenty of other tutors up here that work in the Nagsmatai for different kinds of subjects. So if you ever need help, just come up here. We're on the 3rd floor of the Ollie building. It's like a computer lab. So yeah, if you ever want to come see us, talk to us, need help with anything, come to us. We will gladly help you.